Hey guys, I'm Daniel Goddard.
I'm Brighton James.
And we are the creators of the Dysko app. Now, what you guys just saw was pretty cool, right? And you're probably thinking, what was that? I haven't seen anything like that. And the answer is no, you haven't. But you have seen some of the things in it before, and it's all about augmented reality. Now, up until this point, augmented reality or AR is generally, adding a filter to yourself, adding some glasses, changing your flowers, hair color, sparkles, making yourself look younger, making yourself look older using Face app and all these different apps that let you change the way you look. But it's never been about looking out into the world and how the AR experience can change the way that we meet new people. And that's why we built Dysko. Because we wanted to say, how can we create something that helps people look around them and find people just like them, into the same things as them. And you can start these friendships, these relationships, these networking abilities straight away.
So what you saw in the video is someone using their phone in Venice Beach, California, and seeing live interactive profiles of the people around them in augmented reality. So not only can you see it floating around on your camera through your camera's phone, but you can touch the profile, open it up, see all of the information that person wants to share with you, all of their social media accounts, music playlists, anything that they choose, all in one place. You can connect with them and start messaging and speaking to them without ever having to approach.
Absolutely. And the thing that you saw in that video was someone in Venice looking around, and all those people were in Venice.
Yeah.
But what we wanted to do is create the opportunity for people to be able to network and not have to actually be at that location. And right now, you guys watching this, you could be in Alaska, you could be in Hawaii, you could be somewhere far from Nashville, you could even be in Helsinki or Tokyo or Sydney, Australia. And what we want to do is allow people to be able to go to a place and almost teleport yourself there, think of it that way, in augmented reality, and meet with everyone around the world who come to that one place at that one time. And right now, we're at the Omni Hotel in Nashville. So Brighton's going to tell you a little bit about the app, how it works, how about your profile, and then we'll show you how you can download the app and teleport to here in AR and start meeting and networking with everyone based upon your hashtags and what you have in common.
So now we're going to start by going to the App Store and searching for Dysko. D-Y-S-K-O. Download.
It's going to want to send notifications. You want to say yes, because then when you get a message from someone else on the FCCLA, you'll get the push notification. So always turn them on.
Or when a new user connects to you and has accepted your connection request, you'll get a push notification.
Now here comes the fun part. So we have that algorithm we told you about, the hashtag matching algorithm. And we wanted to make this fun. So you're going to turn around now and say, why are you here? You can be here for work or you can be here for fun. So let's say we're at the conference, but we're going to have fun. Although it's work, let's go with fun. Next question, are you single or are you taken? Do you like to stay in or do you like to go out? That's it. So at the beginning, we give you 3 hashtags that you choose, and it's based upon you. It bifurcates off of there. So next thing we do is we turn on our auto connection, which means that we don't have to sit there and every time somebody connects to us, go through it. You can, if you want, go through your individual connections or just auto connect. We're going to turn ours on. Okay, so we've turned on auto connect and we've added some hashtags, and instantly then we get dropped into look around mode or AR mode. Look, there's my hand, there's Brighton's coffee table, his remote controls, his big TV, and there's Brighton right there in augmented reality. So we touch Brighton's profile and instantly we get to see the photos he's chosen. We see all his social media, his Facebook, his Snap, his YouTube, his Twitter, and then we see the hashtags we have in common. So we see our FCCLA hashtags. We also see we have fun and work in common. So 100%. I then connect with Brighton, I can message with him, and we can begin to network. Now, also, if you're not in the room with us right now, here's what you need to do. You need to drop in. So we do it like this. You see the address at the top? You click up here, and let's search for the Omni Hotel. Omni Nashville Hotel. And instantly Brighton disappeared. That's because Brighton's here in the room with me. If Brighton was at the FCCLA conference with us at the Omni, he would turn up. So you right now have downloaded, you open up the AR and you enter the Omni, and then all of a sudden you'll be able to see people who are in the room with us and at the event. All right, so other than augmented reality or look around mode, you see the toggle down the bottom here? If we touch that, we go to discoveries. Think of discoveries as global, or everyone in the world that matches your hashtags, and you get to just sort through them. So we see Weston here, and Weston we can connect. If we want, we can remove. Weston, we wouldn't dare do it. Decide later. Let's connect to Weston. Then we have Fiona. We can just scroll through everyone if we want and decide if we want to connect later. Lexi. Okay, so discoveries allows you to be in a mode where you can find everyone who has hashtags in common around the world. And all you have to do is change your settings and your filters. We're going to have tutorials that you'll see on the website at dysko.co, dysko.co. If you're at home virtually watching this, check out the links and you can see all the tutorials.
So we hope that we have given you the ability now to really reach out to strangers and make friends that otherwise you never would experience. You have the expression that the FCCLA know before you go, and ironically, that's what we have as well. Is know someone before you meet them. Never be a stranger again. So download Dysko.
Yes.
And once you download, we also have the ability to message. Now, it's important that you understand that the only way you can communicate with someone right now is by email or doing a little group message on Instagram or Twitter, whatever. What we want to let you do is create groups by hashtags. And then you can message one person or every single person in that group, whether it be 10 people or 10,000 people, by just writing the hashtag, pressing select all, and then writing one message. And then that message will send out as an individual message to everybody. So look out, because we know that Sandy and the leaders are going to be messaging you guys. You'll get messages from them. And this way, everyone can stay in touch. So let's download, let's connect, and let's stay in touch with Dysko. Thank you so much for listening.
Take care.
Take care.
Is that your comment? Subscribe. Is that your comment?